like to show you how to change the latex gasket on one of the Polar Bear's rigid neck seal dry suits. We use a 7mm Allen key to loosen off the Jubilee clip which surrounds the rigid gasket to start off with. So using the 7mm Allen key, we can loosen the nut on the Jubilee clip until the Jubilee clip is free and comes off the rigid neck seal comfortably. Okay, that's off. There's an O-ring around the base of the neck seal that pops off, then we remove the damaged neck seal, damaged latex neck seal. So select a new neck seal, check it for any imperfections, it's all in good order, then set the new neck seal on so that the bead at the bottom of the neck seal fits snugly in the bottom slot around the neck seal. This will be over the top of the lower dam, the lower neck seal dam. So pull that on. It should go on fairly easily. It's not a difficult fit. And then check that the bead is set into the lower slot, not the upper slot, the lower slot. So it's going to go near to the bottom of the rigid neck seal. Check all the way around. This bead now is set in nice and comfortably around the lower edge of the neck ring. Take the original O-ring and we're going to now slot this in the upper groove of the rigid O-ring, so this is above the neck bead, making sure that we don't pull the neck bead of the neck gasket out from the bottom groove. And check that the O-ring is firmly slotted into the groove on the neck gasket, the upper groove, and that you haven't displaced the bead of the neck seal out of the lower groove, because we still need to have space to attach the Jubilee clip. That's looking pretty good still. Next, we take the Jubilee clip again and we position with the screw nearer to the back of the neck rather than the front. So set to the back, right or left, it doesn't really matter. Also check for any kind of burrs or any damage to the Jubilee clip, just so we're not putting any damage back onto the neck seal. The Jubilee clip should slot on quite comfortably, and it should slot now over the top of the O-ring. So it's just below the neck edge, over the top of the O-ring. If it's not going on comfortably, loosen it off a bit more, so that it really comfortably slots down. There we go. Tighten up until firm, but not over tight.